Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question that's been buzzing around the AI world. Can Gemini actually write code? Now, you might be thinking, isn't that what all these fancy AI models are supposed to do? And you'd be right. But Gemini, with its advanced capabilities, promises to take code generation to a whole new level. But let's be real, the world of coding is vast and complex. Can an AI truly understand the nuances of different programming languages, debug intricate systems, and even come up with innovative solutions to complex problems? That's what we're going to explore today. We'll delve into the specifics of Gemini's coding abilities, examine real-world examples, and discuss the potential implications of AI-powered code generation. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey into the exciting world of AI coding with Gemini. Transition to a more visual, dynamic section with screen recordings or animations. Let's start with the basics. Gemini, as you know, is a powerful language model developed by Google. It excels in understanding and generating human language, but its capabilities extend far beyond text. It can also generate code in various languages, from Python and JavaScript to C++ and even more niche languages. Gemini can churn out code snippets, functions, and even entire programs. Translate code. Need to convert Python code to JavaScript? Gemini can help you with that. Explain code. Confused by a complex algorithm? Gemini can break it down for you in simple terms, making it easier to understand. Debug code. Encountered a pesky bug? Gemini can help you identify the issue and suggest potential solutions. Improve code quality. Gemini can analyze your code and suggest improvements for better readability, efficiency, and maintainability. Now, let's look at some real-world examples of Gemini in action. Example 1. Automating data analysis. Imagine you have a massive dataset and need to perform complex statistical analysis. Instead of writing tedious lines of code yourself, you can use Gemini to generate the necessary code snippets, saving you countless hours of manual work. Example 2. Building web applications. Gemini can help you build web applications faster by generating the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code for various components, such as forms, menus, and interactive elements. Example 3. Creating machine learning models. Training and deploying machine learning models often involves writing intricate code. Gemini can assist in tasks like data preprocessing, feature engineering, and model selection, accelerating the development process. But the real power of Gemini in coding lies in its potential to democratize access to programming. By making it easier to write and understand code, Gemini can empower individuals with limited programming experience to build amazing things. Imagine a future where students can learn programming concepts more intuitively by interacting with Gemini, making coding more accessible and enjoyable. Envision a world where small businesses can automate tasks and streamline operations by using AI-powered code generation tools. Consider the possibilities for scientific research, where Gemini can help researchers analyze vast amounts of data and accelerate the pace of discovery. Of course, the rise of AI-powered code generation also raises important questions. How will the job market for programmers be impacted? What are the ethical implications of using AI to generate code, particularly in safety-critical systems? How can we ensure that AI-generated code is reliable, secure, and free from biases? These are complex issues that require careful consideration and ongoing dialogue. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of AI-powered code generation are undeniable. Gemini represents a significant step forward in the evolution of AI and has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach software development. So, can Gemini write code? Absolutely. It can generate code, translate code, explain code, debug code, and even improve code quality. While there are challenges and ethical considerations to address, the potential of AI-powered code generation is immense. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.